Gordon Ramsay is undoubtedly one of the greatest chefs in the world, and definitely one of the most famous too. Not only is he the owner of 24 five-star restaurants and 7 Michelin stars, Ramsay is also an incredibly popular television figure. With all his culinary accomplishments, the famous chef is currently worth $220 million. And, as you'll find out in this video, he sure knows how to spend his wealth as luxuriously as possible. In this video, we're giving you a roundup of 10 insanely expensive things Gordon Ramsay owns. Let's begin. Number 10. A vintage Rolex. $20,000. It's pretty obvious that this celebrity chef loves a life of luxury. With his expensive cars and homes, all of Gordon Ramsay's money goes into maintaining a high-quality lifestyle. Not only that, but the chef is also big on collecting luxury watches, the most expensive one in his collection being a vintage 1953 Rolex Submariner, worth at least $20,000. The Submariner is a true collector's item and is the first waterproof watch that Rolex has ever designed. Gordon Ramsay is often spotted wearing his valuable watch in a number of events and even a few episodes of his TV shows. Number 9. Bentley Continental GT. $180,000. In spite of his wealth, Gordon Ramsay is a relatively simple man. Nearly all his money goes into making smart investments, and the Bentley Continental GT is the smartest of them all. With its leather-coated seats, wood paneling and 616 horsepower, this Bentley is one of the most luxurious cars the celebrity chef has in his arsenal. Clearly, Gordon Ramsay prefers to travel comfortably, which is why his Bentley features satellite navigation, parking assistance, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and so much more. The Bentley Continental is Ramsay's most used car because of its comfort and practicality. With a price tag of $180,000, Gordon Ramsay is one of the very few people who can afford to use this pricey car on a daily basis. Number 8. Ferrari 458 Italia. $2 million. Out of the many Ferraris this millionaire chef owns, the 458 Italia comes third. Costing a grand total of $2 million, the car adds immense value to the chef's car collection. The 458 looks compact and sleek with its aerodynamic lines and modern finish, making it the best-looking car amongst Ramsay's Ferraris. What's great about this car is the fact that it's extremely customizable. From the leather interior to the shiny, polished exterior, Ramsay has made sure that the vehicle has been personalized as per all likings. Number 7. Ferrari 430 Scuderia. $2 million. Adding on to the millionaire celebrity chef's Ferrari collection is the 430 Scuderia. While this car has a relatively smaller engine than the other cars in his collection, it's still extremely powerful and luxurious to drive. With a 4.3-litre V8 engine, the speed this car reaches is an incredible 200 miles per hour. What's more special about this car is not the fact that it cost Ramsay over $2 million, but that it has now been discontinued and is worth 10 times more, but the chef obviously has no plans of selling this valuable vehicle anytime soon. Number 6. Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. $2.7 million. The last Ferrari in Ramsay's collection, at the moment, is the stunning F12 Berlinetta. This is the quintessential gentleman driver's Ferrari. It's a racing sports car and dates all the way back to 1950. The Berlinetta is the most expensive car the Gordon Ramsay owns. He reportedly spent $2.7 million on this brand new Ferrari, which features a 6.3-litre V12 engine and 19 miles to the gallon fuel economy. The Berlinetta is one of the most updated versions of the Ferrari, containing impeccable anti-theft systems and an electronic steering wheel, giving the car an extremely comfortable drive. Just how Ramsay prefers it. Number 5. Holiday home in Cornwall. $4 million. When this celebrity chef wants to take a break from his busy schedule, he's usually found in his Cornwall holiday home, which is worth over $4 million. It features 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3 reception areas, a swimming pool and a tennis court, all spread out over the 3 acres of land Ramsay has to his name. Located just a small walk away from the beach, Gordon Ramsay's mansion in Cornwall is the perfect escape from his busy life in the kitchens. He's regularly spotted here during his downtime with his wife Dana and their 5 kids. Number 4. London House. $4.2 million. Number 4 on the list is Gordon Ramsay's beautiful home in London. Even though this house is relatively smaller compared to his 2 other mansions, it's supposedly Ramsay's favorite place to relax and spend time with his family. The elegant house features 5 bedrooms, a master bathroom and a lounge. As far as the kitchen goes, Ramsay has gone the extra mile. Despite the fact that his house had a perfectly fine kitchen installed, it wasn't enough for Chef Gordon Ramsay. He paid an extra $1 million to have a special second kitchen built as an extension of the house. The kitchen was reportedly so heavy that it had to be fitted into the house by a crane so that Ramsay could have the perfect space to work. 3. LaFerrari, $7 million. If there's one thing Ramsay loves more than cooking, it's luxury cars. Which is why his LaFerrari isn't even the last vehicle he owns. Even though it didn't cost the chef much when he first bought it, the car is now worth $7 million and is one of the fastest models the company has ever produced. It's like driving the fastest roller coaster you've ever been on, Ramsay told GQ magazine in 2019. With a top speed of nearly 220 miles per hour, 350 kilometers per hour, and capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour, or 100 kilometers per hour, in under 2.5 seconds, Ramsay's LaFerrari has the power of a rocket ship on wheels. The luxurious price tag combined with its phenomenal features has made the LaFerrari the most expensive automobile in the 21st century. And, of course, Gordon Ramsay is one of the select few people who have the privilege to own it. Number 2. Los Angeles home, $7 million. Not only does Gordon Ramsay have a luxurious home in England, but he also likes to live it up in America from time to time. Adding to his real estate portfolio, the chef spent a grand total of $7 million on his grand mansion in Los Angeles. Gordon and his family have shared pictures of this house on Instagram, including its famed kitchen. It features white tiles and cupboards, and an enormous island in the middle. The house features a beautiful pool, a grand gym and a kitchen that will make anyone's jaw drop. Ramsay's beautiful home also consists of 5 huge bedrooms, beautiful gardens and of course, a state-of-the-art kitchen, making it the perfect home for his family of 7. Number 1. Steak restaurant in Las Vegas, $45 million. What happens in Vegas, stays in Vegas. Except for the Gordon Ramsay steak restaurant, which has been making headlines all over the world ever since it opened in 2012. While this talented chef has over 24 eateries all over America and the UK, the steak restaurant is the place that cost Ramsay the most in terms of purchase and renovation. Located in the Paris casino, this high-end steak place serves the most delicious and expensive food in all of Las Vegas. If you're wondering what a night out at this steak restaurant would do to your wallet, we'll break it down for you. The restaurant costs a party of 2 an average of $200. If you're modest with your food choices, a normal party of 2 can cost an upward of $400, not including tip. And if you're here for the infamous Gordon Burger, you walk out with a $70 bill. The restaurant's menu includes premium cuts of steak, fried Blue Point oysters, and Ramsay's classic beef Wellington, and earns Ramsay over $45 million per year with its high-end menu. That's a wrap for 10 insanely expensive things Gordon Ramsay owns. Which one of these did you find the most surprising? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for videos like this. See you in the next one.